Yo, what up guys? So we are back and it was announced last night on Monday Night Raw that CM Punk will be facing Drew McIntyre in a strap match. Now this was about last week on Monday Night Raw when CM Punk whipping Drew McIntyre with the strap, and then last night on Monday Night Raw, CM Punk challenges Drew McIntyre to a strap match, and Drew McIntyre said, "You want a strap match? I accept." So it's gonna happen at Bash at Berlin. CM Punk versus Drew McIntyre in a strap match. Now CM Punk is no stranger to a strap match. A couple of years ago, he has a strap match with Umaga. Now it makes sense. Years later, CM Punk will enter his second strap match with WWE for the first time in decades. So yeah.